Old Alabama Gardener here, and in this video I'm showing you how I make and can salsa. If you like bigger chunks of pepper, then of course just slice it in a little bit bigger pieces. This sink of cold water is going to stop the cooking process that you'll see me do in just a moment to loosen the skin of the tomato. I make a small X at the bottom of the tomato because that will help it to start peeling whenever it's put into the hot water. Now here you see the peeling starting to come loose. That's what I want. So next we go into the cold water to cool it down so I can handle it. Now here's my tomato with the skin removed, and I'm getting ready to start pulling the little side pieces off. This is just the meat of the tomato. Of course, that's going to be what's going in my salsa. And then I'll show you how I'm going to remove the seeds. Now you watch as I run my thumb up there. It will very carefully remove the seeds, and I will still have that large heart portion of the tomato. You'll see as I start doing this. So here we are. This is the heart of the tomato, and mostly, actually all the seeds are gone. The reason I remove the seeds is because sometimes they taste bitter in whatever you're cooking, whether it be spaghetti salsa or, in this case, the salsa. Then with my knife, I just start cutting those ribs off, and once they're all gone, then I will cut the core or the heart of the tomato going crossways, as you see me doing here, into small pieces. Now this is what the tomato will look like once I get it all processed. It'll be small pieces of good tomato meat with no seeds. Now this is the recipe itself, and I will put it in the description box below. Now we start adding all of our ingredients to a large stock pot. You see the tomatoes here. I've now added the onions, and here comes the peppers. Get that all mixed up, stirred up, and we're going to turn the heat on it to get it started simmering. Then we'll add some other ingredients. One cup of white 5% acidity vinegar. 3 tablespoons of canning salt. Canning salt is something that just doesn't have any iodine in it as compared to, say, table salt. If you like a little bit more salt, well, put a little bit more in. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to this mixture, but if you like a sweet salsa, some people do, then you can add more sugar. Now bring this up to a simmer and simmer it for 30 minutes. Now I have already sterilized, meaning that I have boiled my jars, and they're in that big pot just to the left of my elbow there. And so I don't need to do anything else with those. Now I'm going to put a cup and a half of the vegetables into each pint jar, and then I'll add a little bit of liquid to bring it on up to what's called the head space. Now you might notice that my salsa is pretty thick, and that is because I did not add all of the juice from the tomatoes. I like my salsa to be a little bit more thick, not so much liquidy. Now I'm going to open the jar. We'll give it a taste test. So here's the salsa that we made. Put it in the pint jar as you saw me doing. So let's give it a taste. See how it tastes. Let me get me a chip. Alright, so here's a chippy. Here we go. Very good. That's very, very, very good. Let me get me another chip. It's got just a little bit of heat, not too much. I don't like it too hot, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna have one more bite. Yep, that's good. Very good. Let me get another chip. Now you know what I'm going to say, don't you? Yep, I wish I could share this with you. I wish I could give you a bite of this. I wish you could taste it. No chemicals in it, no preservatives. Just good, healthy, homegrown vegetables. Let's have one more bite. You know what? I can eat that stuff with a fork. That's how good this is. I don't even need a chip. That's good. That's going to be good on my burritos. It's going to be good on my chicken. It's going to be good with my pinto beans. Oh boy, that's just good. Everything about it is good. A little bit of heat. That's good.